The common gallinule is a medium-sized marsh bird with long yellow legs and feet. They are dark gray and black in color with a striking bright red forehead shield and a red bill with a yellow tip. They have a white stripe down their side and white outer feathers. The gallinule has a very distinctive call that can often be heard from deep inside the mangroves or vegetation surrounding marshlands, brackish water, and ponds where it likes to be. Although the common gallinule swims like a duck, it does not have webbed feet, but rather has slender toes, making it possible to walk on soft mud and floating vegetation like lily pads. The gallinule flips over leaves with their feet to grab snails and insects hiding below. They also feed on seeds and insects that they find floating on the water surface.